Don't move it.
Brand.
No more. Damn.
Brand is sick of me.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you
What's up? What it do? Welcome back to my channel. I had to bring it to y'all in the studio, in the spot, y'all. Get into the look, get into the beat down, get into the bust down. Everything is cute, everything is looking good. So in today's video, y'all gonna be coming with me, take a trip with me to Tierra Beauty Studio. Come to the salon. Brandon SHAVON is on the hair. Emulating Beauty is on the beat. Nadula is on the wig. Oh, I just feel so cute. Shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure to check them out down below. Y'all, they sent me over this 30-inch baddie. It is so cute. I never had a 30-inch wig before, so super excited. I didn't even think I could do a 30-inch, but it is given to the girls. It's given to the girls. So y'all make sure to click them links down below. Check them out. Get your hands on one of Nadula's wigs. It's for the top tier girls. Young. Young. You see it. You see it. I couldn't even sit down for today's intro. Come with me. Come with me. Let's get cute.
just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like it now. I'ma just lay back by this window. I've been in my bed, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Niggas long face, duck a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black, and raspy, catch me with a lab. But young nigga make the slap that make up.
She beat me down. And he bust me down. Period. Cause y'all see it. And Nadula 30-inch me down. Bitch is cute. 30-inch bust down. What you gon' do?
It's the glueless for me though.
It's the glueless. You did the glueless. A glueless version.
It's giving preferred.
Period. Period. Oh no.
I put it down, how you need it. Bet I make it, I don't wanna leave. It ain't nobody realize it's been at it, something big.